Springtime is here. Time for those big bike rides that are coming up.
We're getting our trailer ready, and you should be getting your bike ready too.
Don't just assume everything's fine. Check that thing out now before you get to the event.
A quick little way to help you remember what to do, we call it the M-check.
M-check. Truman, we're gonna need us a bike. You got one?
We got one right here, Calvin.
Let's look.
First part of the M-check is right at the front wheel here. Make sure that your axle is tight. Make sure that your pads have material on them. Make sure that your tires are in good condition and you have good air pressure. Also check the sealant in your tires.
We've come to the top of the M. That's the headset, a cockpit. Bounce it, listen for a rattle, shake it, grab that brake, looks good. Are we straight? That's nice. Twist, twist, that's all good. Looking good up here, let's go down.
Down here at the crank and bottom bracket, just give those cranks a wiggle. Make sure there's no play. Also, make sure your pedals are tight. Along with the pedals, if you have clipless pedals, make sure your cleats are tight and that both bolts are in place. Now, back up to the top.
The saddle. A few things here. Grab it and twist it. It shouldn't be twisting. Rock it back and forth. Seems no creaking. And hey, wait, I forgot my saddlebag. Whoops. Down.
Make sure that your shifting is working properly and that your cassette and chain are not worn out. While you're down there, lube your chain. Make sure that it's properly lubricated so that you're ready to go. And then just like we did on the front, check that there's no play in the hub, check that there's air and sealant in your tires. That'll help you get prepared for an event and to start off your spring and summer with a bang.
M for mechanics like you. Check your bikes.
See you later. The
M-check.